What is the number one thing that you should be selling right now on Etsy to make easy sales, let's say? With the economy being as it is, and with the looming recession, people will be more careful with their money and what they are spending it on. People will start to think more about the purchases they make every day, but there are still some product niches that will make really good sales and really good revenue just because of their nature. Just think about yourself. When you are before your next paycheck and the funds are running lower, or maybe you don't know when your next paycheck will come, you will start to cut out things. For example, you are not going to buy another set of plates for your house, or you're not going to buy some new toys for your kids. These are things that are okay to buy and they are really good things when you have the money. But when people start to feel the effects of inflation, and inflation is high at the moment, in Romania here I think we hit 15-20%. I cannot even look at the numbers anymore. When the inflation is that high, then people will start to think about spending their money a smart way. And how does this relate to Etsy and to digital products in particular? Because that's what I talk about. I talk about digital products, but it can be applied to any other niche as well. Well, people will always spend their money on things that are considered some kind of an investment. And what do I mean by this? An investment product can be something that saves them either time or either saves them money. These two things will always impact buyers' decision and clients' decisions in a positive way. So either if your product will save them time or will save them money. And not just necessarily in their personal life, but also if they have a business, that applies as well. An even better idea it would be if your product would make your clients money, or it would help your clients with their money. That is a very another good niche to go after. And again, you can think about a person and as a business as well. I have a very extensive list for today that we will go together, so stay tuned until the end to find out about all of the things that you can sell that will make or save your clients money or time. Before we start, I want to invite you to a masterclass that I will be hosting on Wednesday. I would really like if you would participate. The registration link is down in the description box and in the first pinned comment. It will be all about pricing strategies for digital products. I think that it will offer you lots of useful and very important information about how to price digital products on Etsy so that you can make the most amount of money at the end of the month. Register now and I will see you there. The first thing that will help your clients save more money, it would be to keep track of their finances. So I typed in budgeting into the Etsy search bar and let's see what comes up. Here we can see some bigger categories and we can see budgeting planner, we can see binders, these are physical products. If you would like to print out your designs and offer them as shipped products, then you can do that too. Here are some budgeting spreadsheets, templates, trackers, budgeting sheets, binder cases, some printable planners, a wallet. These are smaller binders. And then another thing are cash envelopes or cash envelope liners where you can write the amounts. So let's see what comes up on the first page. Here are some really beautiful Excel templates and they sell for a higher price as well. So if you are an Excel wizard and know how to create these beautiful dashboards, it is a really good thing to create these and sell them on Etsy. Then another budgeting tool are these digital budget planners. They look really nice. These are the cash envelopes and the cash envelope liners that I just mentioned before. Some more trackers. This is a printable finance planner. Some even more planners, digital planners, anything that relates to finance. They have lots of bestseller badges, as you can see. Now, this is a Notion template. This is another section that we will not get into now because I want to talk about it in a separate video. Some printables in German, paycheck budget, lots of things that will help you and your client manage, save, and even make more money. As you can see, there are lots of options here. Okay, I'm going to select a few with the bestseller badge or the ones that I like and would like to talk more about and analyze. This is a digital budget planner. As you can see, it sells for $8.20. Let's see how much of that is a profit. With an 85% profit margin, because there are no sales at the moment, it makes them almost $7 per sale, which is really good. And I think they sold lots of units with this one. And as you can see, this one just in the last month made about $5,000, which is really good. They have a really high visibility score too. I'm using this Everbee Chrome extension. I like it a lot. It helps me analyze listings, not just other people's but mine. As you saw in my previous video, one of my listings had a really low visibility score, and now I know that I have to go in there and I need to update it. So as you can see, this one is a really nice item and it looks really well. They offer multiple color options and the mockups are really nice. Let's see the Excel one. This one sells usually for $29, but at the moment they have a sale, but still made a really nice profit on this one. They made $18 on this alone, so that is a really good profit with an 87% profit margin. And I think they sold more than that, they just didn't get any reviews. And Everbee takes into consideration reviews as well. These would be two concrete examples that you could create now to make money on Etsy. Next, I would like to talk about resources for small businesses or even for large businesses as well, because people need help. And I'm talking about people like me, because I need all the help that I can get. And if I find a tool that helps me save time, save money, or even make even more money, then I'm down for it and I will 100% purchase it. So what I'm thinking here? I'm thinking help with social media. This would save so much time for small businesses. So anything for social media, it would be very helpful. And here I mean social media templates for stories, for Instagram posts, and now lately I've seen some TikTok things as well. After that, very useful for people who also do content marketing, Pinterest and blog image posts. They help promote articles and websites on Pinterest and also on Google because of the images. And these templates will save you lots of time, especially if you have a template set of 50, 100 templates that you can just put your brand colors in and your logo and you are set and you can go. That would sell really well. Now, other kinds of templates, and here I'm talking about workbooks, activity books, and other things like that that people use to get signups for their email list, or that coaches might use inside their program to make their lessons easier to understand and to put the things that they are teaching into practice. And here are a few really good ebook templates that you can use. Or another good thing with ebook templates or book templates, lots of people use these to create printed or even digital books for KDP. And these can be low content books that have very minimal things on the inside or even just lines or dots, and then you create those templates in different sizes that KDP can print, or you can create also some templates for the covers as well. So lots of ideas that you can go with. Now, another thing that would help small businesses save time and money, especially on designers. Let's say for restaurants and hair salons or beauty salons, you can create thank you cards, business cards, pricing menus, things like that. Those would be really good sellers as well. Also, another great small business resource are website templates. Here you have a very big selection of website templates that you can create. Now for this one you might need a little bit of coding experience or a little bit of UX and UI experience, but if you have that, or maybe with the help of a few YouTube tutorials, you can figure out how to create these. You can create templates for Wix, Shopify, WordPress and things like that. And here I would suggest that you choose a specific niche. So if you would like to create website templates for realtors, then stick with that and create 10 of them in different colors and styles. If you choose photographers, then do that. If you choose restaurants, then you know the drill. And the third big category that I want to talk about are resources that help business professionals. Not just business owners necessarily, but people who are working maybe in a corporate environment, or they want to just organize simply their lives to make it easier. So let's hop over to my computer and I will show you a few of these things. So here are a few Notion planners on Etsy. There are 5,000 results, so if you know how to create Notion templates, this is a very good and a very sweet spot to get into. Here are all kinds of things that can help you to manage and to organize your life. Let's see a few of these popular ones. I will choose these two randomly. They both had the bestseller badge. So yes, this one sells for $33, a really nice profit margin on this one, 89%. And let's see how many did they sell. So out of just one template, they made almost $7,000 in the last 30 days. They have a really good visibility score and some really good keywords right here. If you would like to use Everbee for analytics like this, I have a link down in the description box. I would really appreciate if you would use my link if you decide to try out Everbee. You can create these in Notion and then just put them on Etsy as a template. Let's see this one. This is a freelancer dashboard. They have a nice video as well. And let's see the analytics on this one. This one made less, but still very good amount of money, great visibility score and great keywords. This one combines two of the things that we talked about. It organizes your professional life, but also as a freelancer and a small business owner, it helps you save time and money, and you will be organized at the end. So you can combine these categories as well into digital products. Another niche that I thought of inside this category are project planners. Not necessarily just for students, but also for business professionals as well. As you can see, there are lots of variations here. We have a Notion template here, we have a digital planner here, a printable one here, and another digital one, and an Excel one. So even within this niche, there are lots of options to consider. So these are the things that you can start creating now to make sales faster on Etsy. As you saw within the Everbee Chrome extension, these products have a really good and a really big potential for making money on Etsy with digital products. And when it comes to digital products, they are not only printable wall art and things like that, but those are a part of the digital product ecosystem as well. But sometimes you just have to think outside of the box. So create these kinds of digital planners that help people save time and save money, or even make money. Those are the ones that have the highest potential of making sales. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you would leave a comment down below telling me what kind of digital product do you want to create, and if you would register to the masterclass. It will be jam-packed with very useful information, so click the registration link in the description below. Thank you very much for sticking with me until the end. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online, making money on Etsy, how much I made on Etsy, and things like that. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!